Avoiding leaks when connecting PEX, copper, and threaded fittings starts with choosing the right connector for each transition and executing each joint with consistent, proven technique. For PEX to copper transitions, use a proper transition fitting such as a copper crimp or a compression adapter rated for PEX to copper interfaces, and always follow the manufacturer torque and insertion depth guidance. When using crimp rings, measure insertion depth, use a calibration gauge, and crimp with a quality tool until the ring sits flat and the tool indicates a full cycle. Then verify with a go-no-go gauge or by gently tugging the tubing. For threaded connections, wrap the male threads with Teflon tape in the direction of the thread, turn 3 to 5 times with even tension, and finish with a thin coat of approved pipe joint compound on top of the tape for added sealing and tension. Lubrication. Avoid combining soldered copper joints and PEX within the same immediate space without an appropriate adapter because heat can damage PEX. If you must solder near PEX, use heat shields and holdback tools and cool the fitting rapidly with wet rags. Use dielectric unions or approved grounding jumpers when connecting dissimilar metals to reduce galvanic corrosion over time, and ensure all fittings are clean, free of burrs and corrosion before assembly. Always pressure test the assembled system at normal and then elevated pressure for a sustained period while inspecting every joint, and leave test pressure in place until covering or insulating work is complete. Common mistakes start with under-crimping or over-crimping PEX rings, which causes leaks or weakened joints. Cure this by using the correct crimp tool, checking ring alignment before crimping, and confirming with a gauge. Another frequent issue is improper thread sealing, such as wrapping Teflon tape counter to the thread direction or using too many layers, which leads to bunching and gaps. Fix this by wrapping in the thread direction with 3 to 5 even layers, smoothing the tape, and adding a light coat of compatible joint compound. A third problem is joining incompatible materials without corrosion protection, which leads to pinhole leaks over time. Mitigate this by using approved transition fittings, dielectric fittings, or installing a sacrificial anode where applicable, and keeping dissimilar metal contact points minimal. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for plumbing and mixed material projects, and we help contractors find jobs and build leads through our platform. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and compare real-world experiences.